Hello, my dear friends. So, welcome back. Welcome to your channel, Cooking Astrology. First of all, I would like to thank all of you, all of my viewers, for subscribing my channel, liking my videos, and commenting on my videos. So, guys, today in this video, I'm going to explain you about planet Ketu placement in the sign of Taurus. So, what are its practical results? Its practical outcomes, which you will experience in your life. I'm going to explain you in this video. But before starting the video, we must have to understand these two entities, what is Ketu and what is the sign of Taurus. And then we will be relating these two entities to get the exact predictions, like how Ketu reacts with the sign of Taurus. And it is not like that only Ketu have the say, because it is sitting in the sign of Taurus. It means it have to mold according to the sign of Taurus. Every planet, whenever sitting with any sign, it means that planet have to mold itself towards the energy of that zodiac sign. So please keep this thing in your mind. So first of all, Ketu, it is a represents a somewhere unsatisfaction, like you are not satisfied regarding the debt areas of your life. If you are not satisfied, it means you are having some kind of a desire towards that areas of your life. So Ketu represents that kind of unfulfilled desires. Many astrologers say like Ketu represents your past life achievement. Like in the previous birth, you have achieved this thing in your previous birth. So in this life, you have to go towards Rahu. I don't completely agree with those astrologers, because Ketu, you have to understand, it is a malefic planet. And every malefic planet, it will give some kind of a desire inside you. Whether it is Ketu, Rahu, Mars, Saturn, they are having some kind of a like non-satisfaction part is always present over there. Apart from this Ketu, it represents your spiritual journey. Spiritual journey in the sense, whenever you are alone, secular, no one is guiding you. So it is that areas of your life where you have to find the inner strength, the guidance of that areas of your life. You must have to look inside. If you want to go outside and look for the answers, you will not find. So in the case of Ketu, in whichever house, whichever sign it is posited, please go inwards and then research from the inside. Then you will find the answers from within. Apart from this Ketu, it is a sign which Ketu planet is, it represents all the mathematical persons, like who are very sharp in mathematics, all the scientists, new explorations. Whenever you are building something new, like you are doing something for the first time, unrealistic things, unrealistic demands in your life. So these all things are connected with the planet Ketu. Also Ketu, it is a very shrewd kind of a planet. Like have you know, like many, like suppose it is sitting in the sign of Taurus, and Taurus, it is a sign which represents a financial independence, or Taurus represents financial freedom in your life. Apart from this Taurus, it is the original earth element which represents all the luxuries that are present in this earth, whether luxuries related to cars, vehicles, big homes, conveniences, like money, gold, all such kind of a things. These all are somewhere, all the materialistic world is controlled by the sign of Taurus. And whenever Ketu go inside or come in this sign of Taurus, first of all, Ketu have to mold according to the sign of Taurus, because it is a earth element and it is very difficult to mold earth element. You can mold air signs, watery signs, but you cannot mold the earth element. So in this sign, Ketu have to adjust according to the sign of Taurus. It means whether you are having some kind of a innermost desires or not, you must have to go towards the materialistic side. So these individuals, whenever like they are going through Ketu Dasha, Mahadasha, Antardasha, or any sub period in their life, they find their inclination towards attaining lot of wealth, massive amount of wealth, gains, money, and they don't know like what are they going to do with this much amount of money. But Ketu give that kind of unrealistic desires. Ketu, it is a very shrewd businessman kind of a personality, because Ketu don't have much understanding towards how things works, and Ketu don't want to know how things work, But in the sign of Taurus, which is a sign of financial independence and luxurious lifestyle, these individuals somewhere go towards that areas of their life, especially in the Ketu time period. It's Dasha and Antardasha. So that is the number one trait. Secondly, Ketu comes in the contact of sign of Taurus. These individuals, they have to suffer a lot because of their family relationships, because their personal life, their family life, it is very very like like in early on in their childhood, they got lot of breakups from their family, they have to stay away from their homeland. These kind of a situations usually occur whenever Ketu posited in the sign of Taurus, because Taurus, it is the original second house of your family. So it represents some kind of a separation on early stages in your life, separation from family, separation from your homeland, mother, father. So that separation, it is also seen from the sign of Taurus and Ketu placement in this. Apart from this Ketu placement in the sign of Taurus, it will give individual a very like they are very, their mentality is very like they want to get more and more, more and more, more and more, more and more, more and more. Because Ketu, as I told you, it represents the non-satisfied part of your life. You are not satisfied with that areas of your life. So it means from the materialistic point of view, you are not be able to satisfied in your whole life. Whether you earn tons and billions of crores of rupees or dollars in your life, so you must have to remain non-satisfied. Wherever the Rahu is completely opposite, that is sitting in the sign of Scorpio. Because we have to relate these two entities. We cannot alone like I am going to tell you Ketu in this sign do this thing, because Rahu is also connected with Ketu. Treat them as a single entity, not apart entities. So Rahu is air in the sign of Taurus, and it is somewhere like a tug of war like situation, you know, like pulling of a rope from this side and that person, that team is pulling from that side. So like you are going and then. So here in that kind of a situation, that kind of a mechanism, somewhere these individuals have a lot of confusion in their mind regarding what to do in their life, what to do. Like it is not like many individuals, like they don't know what I'm going to do in this my life, or what are your innermost desires. So this is very difficult for these individuals to learn about that kind of a thing, because understand one thing, here it is earth element and opposite that it is a watery element, and Rahu dissolves in the watery element, but Ketu not be able to dissolve here. Ketu is molded according to the earth element. So their emotions are also like going in some kind of a deep, dark and fear and anxieties. Lot of worries are coming through their 8th house towards their 2nd house, which is the sign of Taurus. So it represents the financial worries, worries regarding their family members, worries regarding their upbringing, their children, their wife. So it creates a lot of worry, fear and anxiety kind of a situation in the family life. So the family life is not very very cordial in this case. But it is a very very good placement if you want to enjoy life in the materialistic way, not in the spiritual way, because Ketu have no understanding of the sign of Taurus. Ketu, as I told you, it is a spiritual element, spiritual entity. Ketu wants to attain the highest spirituality. Like after getting lot of knowledge from everywhere, the person will feel fully content. Okay, now I have the full knowledge and I'm a very spiritual person. Here Ketu tends to find that knowledge, but not in the spiritual sense, it is in the materialistic sense. And the tug of war is always present with the Rahu in this sign. So it is a difficult placement, but although very very good if you want to acquire money and wealth, like massive wealth and fame, it is very very good. Because Ketu don't know, Ketu don't want to know from where money is coming. If it is coming, then it is good. Ketu don't want to know like why family relationships are not good in my life. If they are bad, let it be they are bad. I'm not going to pay so much attention towards that areas of my life. But from the inside, because it is a malefic planet, so the innermost desire is always there. How to build a strong relationship, how to get rid of my fears, worries and anxieties in my life, how to attain wealth. So these situations are present always there whenever Ketu in the sign of Taurus in your horoscope. So guys, I hope you understand and you like my analysis of this planet. If you have any queries regarding your Ketu placement, please contact me at my mail ID, guys. If you want to know where your Ketu is posited, your financial situation, married life, everything you want to know, please contact me at my mail ID, guys. So till then, please subscribe my channel below, hit the like button if you enjoyed my YouTube channel. I will meet you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care, guys.